everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMount. Today's class we will talk about GUI, that is Graphical User Interface of AutoCAD. So very first thing here I am going to explain you about the GUI of AutoCAD 2020 version. Okay, so to start up with the software we need to double click on the icon. The software gets open. So once the software gets open here, we get a welcome note. In this welcome note, here you get few of your recent documents. Recent documents are the file which you have already worked with. So few of your documents will be visible here. Okay, so if you want to use those file, you can just click on that file, directly the file will get open. If it is a very old file, if you want to use it again or if you want to open it again, I need to click here on open file and I will go to the folder where I have saved my file and I'll click on open. The file will get open here. Suppose if I don't want to go with any older file, if I want to go with a fresh new file, I will just click here on start drawing. So this is the GUI for AutoCAD 2020. So let me introduce you to the GUI of AutoCAD 2020. Very first thing here you get an option of application menu. Application menu is option where you get the options such like new, open, save, save as, import, export, publish, print and other options. Here also you get your recent documents which were displayed in your welcome notes. So next to this application menu, here you get the option of quick access toolbar. In this quick access toolbar, here we get the option such like new, open, save, save as, plot, undo, redo. So these are the same options what we get here in application menu. So instead of accessing from the application menu, you can access it directly from here itself. So we call it as quick access toolbar so that you can access it quickly. So next, after this quick access toolbar, next here we have the option of workspace. In this workspace, here you get different types of workspace in AutoCAD. So there are three workspace in AutoCAD, that is drafting and annotation, 3D basics and 3D modeling. Drafting and annotation we use it when we are going to do with 2D drafting. 3D basics and 3D modeling we use it when we go with 3D modeling. Next to this workspace, here we have the option of title bar. In this title bar, you will be getting the file name what you have given over here. So as this is the first file which I have opened and I have not yet saved this file, so the file name is coming here as drawing 1. .dwg is a file format for AutoCAD. Next, after this title bar, next here we have the option of Information Center. Information Center is a doubt clarification center, or I can say a help tool. So it works like when you have any doubts regarding any of the tools in AutoCAD, you can take the help of this Information Center. So first you need to create your ID. Okay, you need to sign in. You need to create your ID and then you can log in and you can use this option of Information Center. Next to this, here from this home to featured apps, this is called as your menu bar. Below this menu bar, here you get your main menu. This is your main menu tab. This is your menu bar. Next, coming over here, this is called as your UCS icon. Full form for UCS is World Coordinate System. In this, very first thing you get your 4 main directions, that is north, south, east, west. If you click on this home tab, you come to know about the 3D view here. So here if you want, you can use front view, left view, right view and again the top view here. So this is called as your UCS icon. So next, after this WCS icon, here we have the option of UCS icon. UCS is the origin of your file. This is the origin of your file. where x and y will be 0 and 0. Full form for UCS is User Coordinate System. Next to this here, this is your command line window. Command line window is a tool which helps you to tell the next thing what you have to do. It is commanding you what exactly you are going to do here. So you can see after I click on L enter, here it is asking me to specify the first point. So after you specify the first point, it will ask me to specify the next point here. So it is commanding you that what exactly next thing you have to do here. So if you have any doubts, you can just refer command line window so that it will tell you the next thing what you're going to do. Next, coming over here, this is your status bar. This whole toolbar is called as your status bar. And this is your model and layout tab. Here is going to be your working area. And the cursor what I'm moving here is called as crosshair. Okay. So thank you everyone. For more videos, you can like and subscribe.